Today marks a special day in history.
At least in my history. It's the 17th of July as I'm recording this video, and I'm launching my book called Unchained. And in case you don't know me yet, my name is Arno, and I am the founder of the Freedom Academy, with which I help you to get more mental and financial freedom. And all of that has been covered into this upcoming book. This book is a coaching guide that shows you how I, in 2018, was living in an apartment, white walls, no furniture, addicted to drugs, rats crawling over my attic, and getting stopped during a suicide commitment. Really going to having $1.5 million of net worth, running a successful business, and then from there actually making sure that people don't commit suicide. I'm really giving a voice to the people that need it the most, people like you who are watching this video, because I was missing out on that voice back in the days when I was making that shift from 2018 to where we're at today. And unless the sea of most books and coaches that you see out there, I believe that this book is one on its own, because it shows you how I did it, why I did it, what went behind, and it shows you the actual steps to make the exact same change in your life. Now, of course, I want to be 100% honest about this. If you're always that kind of person who's gathering knowledge but never really taking action on it, this book is not for you. This is a book for people that really take their marker up, really go start marking inside of that book, have that physical thing in front of them, and then just from there make sure that they can take certain actions in their life that beneficially change it in order to create a profound change. And it was during the flight to Valencia that it really kicked in for me. I received an email from the team that's behind the book that helped me to tell my story, and I received that email, last editorial copy. I was reading it and I had this tear that went down my cheek, and I was reading it and I was like, this is it. This is it. The reason I had that tear is because everything flashed by. I saw myself sitting in that room again, 2018, broke, white walls, everything was so bad, to where I'm at today, knowing that I can bring that same exact life change to you if you take the right action by getting a copy of that book and taking action on it. So if you click the link below this video, and you also let me know what the impact was below this video, just let me know if you get a copy, let me know how it changed your life in the first 30 days, next 30 days. Just look at your life in a time span of 90 days and tell me what the book changed, because I'm 100% sure that if you read and act, this book will be the best thing that you ever touched, without a doubt.